directing only a few people.
Okay.
Exclusive.
Oh, I love it. Am I included? Parang nag-isip siya. Hi, Teacher Jenny. Hi. Hi, TM.
Welcome to Cebu.
Welcome to Cebu. Hi, Ate.
Hello.
Welcome to Cebu. And we're going to the Cebu Sports Center. Abelianas. Oh, hi, Kevin.
Pag nag-video, kailangan selfie rin.
Kasi para kasama ako. Ready for Zumba. Hi, Ate. Chamal. Mino, ano?
Welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to the vlog, guys. We're in a coaster waiting
It's a vlog.
waiting for Helen G.
Ano sinasabi mo kanina?
Hi, Mom. Where do you want to stay?
Kasama namin Ate Helen yung lakad mo.
Ano sabi mo? Ano sabi mo sa lakad niya?
Her hips swings from left to right.
It's like a pendulum. Wait lang, may intro dito.
Ladies and gentlemen, ugly girl. Ugly girl. Sorry. Ugly girl.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Lumat ka sa Buano, pinangga sa Takasuko, Senator Vicente Soto.
Cebu, maganda. At huwag mo rin kalimutan, basta taga Cebu, guwapo! Of course, your tatay!
Yes! Senate President Tito Soto!
Yeah!
Di sila mutuo na kamao kamo Bisaya.
Basti lang.
Kabalo, John!
Kay Bao!
First transgender counselor from Cebu!
Yeah! Pasalamat tayo sa kanila eh. Kasi umulan ng malakas kanina, akala ko, mababawasan na yung tao ko konti na.
Yes!
Pero, tingnan mo naman, lalong dumami hanggang doon sa likod. Puno! Yeah! Hindi ko marinig!
Siyempre, hindi na namin papakilala. At mamaya marami pang sasabihin. Ito yung sinasabi natin na original na tito ng bayan.
Sabi nga, sino pinakabuti?
Tito Bayan. Anong tawag nyo sa kapatid ng tatay nyong lalaki? Tito. Pag umalis yung tatay nyo, kanino kayo bibilin? Tito Soto. Kaya mga kaibigan, kami po, nandito kami. Ewan ko lang po si Alan kung manghihingi ng bayad. Pero kami po.
Grabe siya.
Kami po, mula pa rin sa Itbulaga, kung makikita nyo kung paano kami magsamahan doon. Busy yan. Busy sila, kaya ang ating vice presidente, Tito Soto!
I'm a proud Soto. I'm a proud daughter because my dad has authored and sponsored more than 240 laws. 240! More than 240!
Yung iba nga wala nahihambag ang dyan pa.
Sabi Kuya Alan, kasama dyan ang Bayanihan 1 and 2. Walang ayuda kung wala si Tito Soto.
Wow!
Ladies and gentlemen, ang Tito ng Bayan, Senate President Tito Soto!
Mayang gabi, Cebu! Pinaka-importante sa akin ang Cebu. The city of Cebu, the province of Cebu. It is very close to my heart because my grandfather was here. My father is here. As a matter of fact, they stayed here. Doon sila nakalibing sa St. Park. We love Cebu. I will expect Cebu to help me. Maraming salamat, Tommy. Mayor Tommy. Mayor Mayora Margot. Maraming salamat. Hindi niya alam yung lyrics pero I will dictate the song to you.
Dinner time at Eddie's, guys. Corned beef. Aga party late. Tuwing nakikita ka na nabanggit yung aga. So, Kuya Jose, how was the show? You guys were great.
Yeah, no. The audience, the people in Cebu is very approachable. Also the candidates, the Miss Universe candidates.
Ha?
Boss Mara 71 years old.
71?
Just like me.
What? You're only 46.
You don't look like 71 years old, but you smell it.
But you smell it. Show's over. Congratulations! Congrats, Daddy.
Thank you sa inyo.
Anytime.